Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce this phrase in French, meaning happy birthday. How do you say happy birthday in French? We'll be looking at how to say more vocabulary like Merry Christmas, for example. So how do you say this phrase? Joyeux, meaning happy, with a silent X if it's by itself, the word I'll explain. Joyeux Anniversaire. Anniversaire meaning birthday, like anniversary. Now what happens if when you have those two words combined, Joyeux Anniversaire is how you say it. So the X to joyeux is normally silent because it's at the end of the word, but because it has a vowel after it, anniversaire starts with a vowel, you make a liaison, meaning a link between those two words, and the X becomes audible and you have to pronounce it like a Z. So Joyeux Anniversaire. Joyeux Anniversaire is how you say it, and that's why you pronounce the X. And for some reason like a Z or like a Z with a Z sound. I know it's French, it's confusing, but that's what it is. Joyeux Anniversaire is how you say happy birthday. You can also say bon anniversaire, bon anniversaire. Works as well, both are used. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more French vocabulary. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Merci.